In this course, there's a lot of things that are takeaways and I know that I will be using in the future. For example, the whole lesson plan. In the beginning, I remember we were talking about, try to find information about the school, the students, the different backgrounds, all on the policy map and everything. And I never really thought of that beforehand. So all those things take to play into making lesson plans. So I learned that a lesson plan is not something you can just make up on the spot. It takes time. Um it takes time and it takes you know information. You need knowledge and different informations, prior knowledge to making it. So for example, the school we chose, we learned about the different backgrounds, the different students that live there, the economic backgrounds they have, and all that information. So that was one thing that I took away from it. And now in the future, when I make lessons plans, that is something that I will focus on more. Another thing is all the other online resources like S'mores, Powtoon, and just all of them that we used in class. Like for example, for our presentation, we used Prezi. That was also one thing that I've never really used, but I now see myself using all these features in the future. All these sites, because I thought they were really helpful and really deserve to be in the classroom because they're really useful and that's something that I see myself using. And I'm really happy that I learned about it in this class because I definitely will be using them. Overall, I really enjoyed this class and I feel that I have a lot to take with me in the future to become a teacher. And all the stuff that I learned in this class is really useful.